Hi guys, I'm gonna make a video on my fidgets. I just got fidget toys today. Ignore my tablet cord. So this is a pineapple puppet. This is a crab puppet. And this is an orange heart puppet. I got fidget spinner. I got this red one. I got these things. I got this thing. I got this thing. I got these. I got this. I got these. This. And this one as well. This one's the same way, just different color. This one is the same way, it's just round and different colors, I guess. I have two of these. And that's it. Comment down below what was your favorite fidget and what kind of fidgets do you want me to get now or next. Comment down below, click the bell, like, subscribe, follow me on my social medias, follow my best friend on her social medias, and like our YouTube channels, follow her on her YouTube channel, like, subscribe, click the bell, and comment what was your favorite fidget. Thank you. Bye.